Hi there. Here we are with our patient Tyler. Tyler is back after about a 7-year hiatus from having transplants with us. He did a surgery in 2017, came back for another surgery in 2018, and when he walked in the door today, I couldn't believe my eyes. It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's just unbelievable. Before coming to us, he had a procedure with another doctor. He said he was very happy with it.
It's okay.
But how did ours compare to what you had before?
Well, it was much more extensive what you did to me.
Okay.
And I just love the density, the fullness of what you did.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And the first thing I said to him is, "What's everyone saying?"
They're saying like, "Wow, unbelievable change."
So one of the things I always say is hair transplants, and I know it's corny every time I say it. I say they change people's lives. Has this changed your life, a hair transplant?
For sure, yeah,
It
absolutely.
it
It brings
does,
a lot more confidence, and I just love being in my hair now.
Oh man, awesome, man, awesome. So what brings you back? Why are you here again?
I'm looking to have more work done, but on the back side this time.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're happy with everything in the front.
That's right.
And now you want to just finish the product.
That's right. Yep, that's right.
Okay, awesome. So when I show you the photos, you'll see that Tyler pretty much, didn't have any of this for the most part.
No.
So we recreated his hairline, we reframed his face. If you look here, and you can just see the naturalness of how this blends into his sides. And then you can see on the other side how it just naturally blends into the sides. And if you just kind of tuck your chin down like that for the camera, everyone's always concerned. You can see the grafts. Nothing's detectable. Everything looks natural. Has anyone ever said to you, "Hey, you had a hair transplant," or "That's a hair transplant"?
Only because of the results, the difference between what I used to have and what I have now. They've suspected, but they've never asked outright. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. And as far as the scars go, so he had a couple surgeries with us, and so we take all the way around, and so suture lines come all the way around like this. So I'll always go into a new area if possible. He's had a scar here and a scar there, okay, and it comes all the way around to his other side. So has anyone ever seen your scars?
No.
No. Everyone's always so freaked out about these scars, and I explained to them it's going to hide under the hair.
Yeah.
So the last thing anyone needs to worry about is scars, and God forbid there's an issue, I'll fix it for free. And so I don't want anyone to worry about scars, because that's the main thing, is getting hair on the top of the head. What do you say to the guy sitting at home was saying, "Man, I don't know if I should do this, I'm skeptical"? What do you say to that guy?
I say don't waste any time. You might as well do it early and get it over with, because you're going to eventually need it.
Awesome, buddy. Thanks so much for doing the video.
Thank you.
Super happy for you.
Dr. Bolton.
Looking forward to getting this back filled in for you.
That's right. I look forward to it too.
Awesome,
Thank
man.
you.